Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will to learn how to make like this part use wrap feature in SolidWorks. Okay, just search it, open the top, click new and click part, click OK. For background we can change in plain white, and in here we use millimeter units, so ensure you select in millimeter gram seconds. We start from front plane, so right click on front plane and click sketch. First, just draw a circle. Draw circle like this and set the dimension of the circle. In here, for diameter, I set in 20 millimeter, for example, like this. And just click feature and click extrude boss. Direction is blind. You can to reverse direction like this. I think I want to reverse direction to deep or thickness in this direction. For the length in here, you can input, for example, in here I set in 70 millimeter like this, and just click OK. Okay, we just make like a cylinder like this first, make tube. So after that we want to make a new plane, so click feature and click reference geometry and click plane in here. First reference, click top plane, and for second reference, click this face like this, and just click OK. And we just to make new plane. The name plane is plane 1 in here. So right click on the new plane or plane 1, right click and click sketch like this. So just draw in here. I draw in strike slot. Draw like this, see this, and ensure for this point click Ctrl and click this point, ensure click make horizontal like this. Then set for the length. For example, I set in 70 millimeter for the slot in here, this, and for here for radius I set in 5 millimeter. Radius. Yeah. Okay, after that just reset the angle in here. Just click this center line and click this point, and should automatic you can see the plus direction like this, so click direction here. So you can repeat, click this center line and click this point and click this here, and you can set for the angle in here. For example, in here I set in 65 degree. This. Then after that, click Ctrl again and hold. Click this sketch and click this edge and click make tangent like this. After we make a sketch like this, just click exit sketch in here and go to feature, and we use wrap feature. Just click wrap feature, and for wrap parameter click this sketch or sketch 2. In here, wrap feature is allows you to project or wrap a sketch 2-dimensional sketch onto a curved surface like a cylinder, cone, or any curved face. It's often used for logos, text, engraving, embossing, or cutting on curved surface. But in here we use the wrap feature in here to make part like the first appearances like before. In here for wrap type is any 1, 2, 3 type. First is emboss. Emboss is edge material outward from the surface. For example, making text or logo pop out on a bottle. And in here is deboss. Deboss is to remove material into the surface. For example, making text or logo engraved on part. And the third, the wrap type is scribe. Scribe is project the sketch as just a curve or line on surface. For example, to making or laser engraving line on a surface. In here for wrap method, in here is two method. First is analytical. It works a simple surface, a cylinder, cone shape, very accurate and faster, and good for things like bottle, pipe, and round stuff. And in here, a spline surface. It works on freedom or complex curved surface, more flexible but may take longer to calculate. Good for organic shapes like car body, planes, helmets, and more. And in here for raw parameter, in here click this sketch in two, and for face, just click this face in here like this. And in here you can to set for thickness. Thickness in here is for the was define how much material is add or cut. And for type, we use in here, we click just this emboss type, and in here for wrap method we use analytical, and wrap parameter click this sketch, and this face click this face, and for thickness, for example, I set in 1 millimeter like this. So after that, just click OK and done like this. Like this. Before we just sketch the sketch with strike slot with or wrap the sketch or the part to be like this. It is simple. So after that, we can to hide the plain one. Right click and click hide here, and just click this face. Right click and click sketch. After that, click convert entities for this face and click feature. Click extrude cut. For direction, we can change in through all. Just click OK. Okay, we just need shape or sketch like this, which wrap feature like here like this. It's simple and it's very useful for beginner to learning in SolidWorks. We can to change appearances. Select all the feature in here. Appearances for metal, for example, I set in polish gold like this. Like this. So it's very useful wrap feature in SolidWorks. Okay, in here I think it's enough. Thank you for watching until the end video. I hope this tutorial help you to learning in SolidWorks, especially in wrap feature. I think that's enough. I apologize if there any mistake of this material. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next tutorial.